Alright, this is Subway Surfers, but for today's challenge, I cannot touch any items. That includes event items and power-up items. I cannot use the items in the left and use hoverboard or skaters. No, skateboards. So, yeah, I cannot touch them. But coins are allowed because it's pretty hard to dodge them because it's everywhere. Like, look at that. How am I supposed to dodge that? I mean, I can, but what about this? So I cannot touch any items. I see one. I'm going into the left. And I'm going to the right. Left. I could not risk going down. No! You ain't gonna get me today, dog. Not getting that boots. No! No! Yes! Didn't touch it, okay? I didn't touch it. Nothing popped up. Not touching you today. Not even going to touch the item. Slide. Nope. Doing pretty good. No. 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 Oh! Okay. I felt like Superman. Huh. No. No! I died. Ah. I might get an ad, so I'm gonna pause. Alright, this is the next game. Cannot touch anything. And also, my goal for here today is going to beat King. You see that on top right? I'm going to go to the top run and defeat him. And if I don't, I lose. Like, I cannot do this. Nope! Uh-uh. Not today. Not today. Nope. No. No! No. No. Oh! Uh-huh. No!